Toyota Hilux, 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM, 13-inch 2K screen resolution with 360 camera and voice command. Front cam nasa ilalim nito po, ayun oh. Side cam. Tapos yung rear cam, ito ay hindi na original, aftermarket to, galing sa amin, in-avail ni sir para dito mailagay yung rear cam. So ayun. Steering control lahat working. Pag pipindutin yung mode, lalabas yung 360. Natabunan lang ng plaka sa harap, yung itim na yan. Tapos volume control working. Tapos testing tayo ng ano, play music. Next. Testing natin yung online voice command. Play James Blunt on YouTube.
Playing James Blunt on YouTube.
Imported wheat and hops. A splash of citrus inspired.
Isa pa. Play Jason Mraz on YouTube.
Playing Jason Mraz on YouTube.
Isa pa. I want to go to SM San Lazaro.
The best way to get to SM City San Lazaro by car is by...
So yun, meron ng way papuntang SM San Lazaro. Tapos testing natin yung signal light, right side. So yung nag-block dyan is yung plaka yan. Rod Pasoyo yung plaka sa harap. So okay, kita. Left. Reverse. So okay. Tapos all working steering control. Ito yung mga application niya. Waze, YouTube, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Meron na siyang Play Store, pwede ka mag-download kung anong gusto mo i-download. Netflix, Disney Plus. So okay, thank you sir. 13-inch specs niya ito. Test 10. Yung Bluetooth niya 5.0, 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM, 1920 by 12, 13-inch. Ay hindi pala, Android 13. 13-inch yung ano, size screen. So tingnan natin yung sa likod niya. Malinis, walang butas. So hindi siya yung basta-basta na ni-retrofit. Meron siyang sariling frame. Okay, thank you. Ulit yung 3D nya. Ayun, Hilux po yan. Ayun o, ZT Car Accessories. Thank you.